Me no Ghana for me chechi amu nyina. Ema mu nua be ma Avram bin Moshe, leader of Common Sense Family. Common Sense Family a awakening movement a yedi bia ni pani. Said the bay especially ebibiman e be fa ne to ba pefra. Me dia de to me ankasa Ali Ibrahim. Yawo mi nkremoni be ye Kristo ni. Esua de abanjifo no. Esan se wa wo tre asem de ka se yen so ho mum nyina hwe se fi awrade a. Tena me sua osum godro ni nyina. In conclusion, be hu say all religion osum biara was invented by man. Obo ade na ma yesom na emum o ma ye adwene sense of good judgment say yen fantine wiase. Enfem bobra. Eye ensembi se bi say Bible mum pensem mu. Koran mu adesua ni osum godro mu adesua. Any other social issues and ye de bremo e wo program ya to din say time with the Common Sense Family 9:30 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturday. Enti share me wo sonfo Avram bin Moshe e wo Tumpani TV adwena anya adwuma body ne bre yedam nyina ase. Bye bye.
Yes, Abraham bin Moshe. Na yeton kante man ka Ghana ntiti say religion ti kamia yes nyansa nya adwuma biemu. Yato yenkocha na atwe na kofa broni die no. Wuhia bibeni a yefre wo sen o se yefre me Frederick. Enso bi hu broni bi a yefre de Kofi Konto. Ya yara identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Broni say nekete da so abibeni mbo.
Eye opener on this one. These are the words of a wise man. Nobody carries a heavy burden than he who has evil intentions. Once there's a creation, there must be a creator. God, whose supernatural powers and miracles can only be found in a book, but not in real life, is equal to a God who never existed. Nasajina Nejuma, body rare. Abraham bin Moshe, leader of Common Sense Family. No size. Wagwan P Black.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hello, what from a dropping? Tinasi, ahum kimli. Na winya beje metan riding ho. Smooth, fully nyanya.
As what fraud then?
Missy, what from a dropping? Menkaji wedban and fambra wana.
Dropping.
Manfa u pasel unko ana menkaji mbra wana.
Dropping.
Mankafa u mafraba mbra wana.
Dropping.
Menkaji u groceries mbra wana.
Dropping.
Laundry, mwakwa bantam dodo. Kwana biya ewo whole Ghana. Go Play Store, ana App Store, na download Droppin, DROPYN.
Droppin.
Not from within a minute. Na mo boho there.
Droppin.
Menso, ya Ghana ha babya. Ye chuma ya sonko. What from a Droppin? Masa, ya what town. Tale, moku take Droppin.
Yo, see us for Mamina Aquaba. Maybe I will be a Eba Jumedi so. Send che, Mubeti Menka, Ewa Kingdom. Na Anopebiano, send me back maybe Chiamo, and Mamma update. Nadia Kosubiano, Mama Masote. CSF, Ebusia, Ghana Mai, Chiamina, Medamina Si, or Doctor Sia, we actually movement. Fear Bray share Jumedia Sebe Permende. I won't go any more Seda, Madame Wasi. A t-shirt no nature gono, Ube Yibia. And one said, Ubefan number near that screen as no na wafre na unsaka o Common Sense Family t-shirt na also what they are promoting movement no ama yedwumedi ayedi na nso akwachi ama ewiase mina ate yenka yedam nyina ase yenso yehye mo bose yengu manimu aseda kakra bi abai wa yefam de na yede aboa mo yenso yebe handband ni nso de sramu ha nya sole aha no woto handband ni bia me pa chaw ene abayifo ndc ma me pa chaw bebre aha ena t-shirt no ni ade o sha manyansa me pa chaw nyansa de sraw obesua na wasua se wa dwene se obeto ye t-shirt na sunsumu wiase wenya nyansa menua oboa afei so ya na ye kasafa apomden ho company fa no Alliance in Motion Global de bia me ka kire mo network marketing amazing business when je ho a na wa frame me because aha ne ye wo no ye bia ni pani na ya sama sika abadi pa botom hantia wa amazing product boy ye ni pedua papa aha product ba ko a na ni je ho papa na me de ba be kire mo no ye fa ne the C24/7 any C24/7 amazing product a detox your system a boost your immune system aha mentumi nka ho asem sesi na dakro ye beka your product no ho asem na etumi aboa ti obeso join business and etumi join wait to for any of the numbers say I want to join the business afi another product America ho asem a kire no the quantum glasses me pa chaw spectacles company ya aba no aban ensa hyase aha no so se me bo hu degro enfemo me pa chaw glasses said the papa apostle ko Joseph woni dia ye de to yensa no we spectacles ayehye me pa chaw we you be outside laptop computer chi edidi djuma ebe protecting wa eye we ni aha heal the eye any problem dia wo face wo we ni no ebe bo a wo de opa ko online na Google quantum glasses and our uses of quantum glasses and our benefit of quantum glasses over bownsem aha e bia bagana onye bia beboa o dey drive here na joa light into me rem say ye hu ade no o she glasses a hu ade glasses we ya o ni more clearer obi obetumi di ade one dance ye a gospel musician a friend of Erico of Mentor fame Erico Mentor neni Erico G baako o she ade no within few minutes of wearing it you see the effect amazing obey dia friend number na that screen as no aha be dam na say na watch wo na quantum watch ba na bo na wo soro aha above 1000 Ghana anti and on wa be here dey no wa friend na watch be dam na say eno nya apostle dia no wrist watch ankasa gold wrist watch aha quantum na bo na eden aha na bo na eden pa anti obeye bia na wafre na yedi ho nkomo afei ya yediem ya papa apostle de ani why what the to nsa na aboa fe why enche obeti menka wo kingdom TV na wasanti menka wo kingdom FM 107.7 yani ya fede shi CSF ya damu na ase bibia mo pia yen mo di yechi aka ye ho amaya kwa kopie no nche obeti menka wo Kingdom TV starting 1 p.m. sharp na ya pon 2 ya pon ya pe na makọ the next program and no cry me program but we create space amami ya fa no pai munaka and your political show na yetumi am my Ghana fa to my pefra ti meda Kingdom ebusuokuo ni nyina ase ewe ni die ene wodo ene obuo abode make CSF a wo mafrɛ na yenso ye de adwuma pa akọ beda mo nyina CSF straight up we ase de oti we ase na wadwene mo che na obeka no kre na adwembone bi ani wutirimu a de bia looki fresh na ada de bia looki fresh o hweme a adwembone bi ani wutirim so ati ase ti ni pe oti wa mo adwene mo nche me mo bi wa adwembone ma wutirim hwese de my fresh ya na wutumu say me nkasa de shimoje bi ehwe egu ama me mom ni pe bia no common sense wow the brain and the control the pediani na ma adwene mu nche ma adwene no me mu nche menua we ya adwembone too much adwembone wo wutirim we ye nibrini we ye pesemi nkumnya wow unya ikranka de aduane si wani mu a wo de wonsam yenu de bedi adwembone nchi
woni wonu adi emo ya wesa adwemboni nti emo no wasagu nanum ane wamene magwa adwene mo nche wache awiase we prewiase japade ma wanimre ena mekuno ena mesei no ena meyese yemfa nko baabia yemfa wiase nti mo adwene mo nche wache menua that's my secret in life me hwe medidi ye me hwe se de meni nipa relate ye metumi aboa ameboa mentumi bi date you o ye nyama na mempa metufu wentie metufu wentia ye nyanto a ye nyantua atemdede bia nim meni wujai kra me mmo wekutua with status because the obana me wouldn't the giant who did in a terminal. That girl you are calling a stupid girl, that guy you are calling a foolish guy was once your happiness. So what you say to me? My name is X be any problem. I see a giant no cultural status. Hey, and it is better to be alone than to be with a bomb clad. When I took you, we were selling tomatoes, and when I changed your life, now you are nipa nante eduru babia na ye twem asem de na asem ko ensign simple straight up ti wo hwa fresh boy slaking bin Moshe wow nti your friend say me jime kakrawa me paya boy so wow madam ngina as CSF madam ngina as we there just by the way wow where you warm up to kingdom enumbre so na Wednesday ebesu ewo tumpani ani only one secret and that ebe su otumpani na sanso su ewo Amin TV straight up hey yendia bor hey CSF oh ebe peja brutal and that chiemi and that ebe peja wa kingdom ewia ebe peja otumpani ewia na sanso peja wa Amin TV straight up CSF to the world yeah yendia bema alidu so ebo no homo de a wo betere nka otumpani ntimisramu Alidu enya contribution. Problem be ni meti say Alidu kura ko tumpani no. Emede because of me. Omo kwato airtime. Ko boa tumpani TV. Say dia ye no. Wow, aha. Nti mama ye mmoa. Wow, ma ye nye enemy say matesa Alidu. Debi me patron kremofo the Muslim community. Mesramo Alidu so ye sika e de akoti yi so. Enti bi gina Alidu anemu ne ye campaign. I catch a million money for say Alidu ba live now be you more fire Alidu tell them you are not being a good Muslim enti common sense family ye bon kremo some pressure Alidu say obe defending me go TV so opeso ko TV so I am appealing to every Muslim who believe in the teaching of Alidu say support Alidu why no nyesika na onfentua tumpani no wow na emwa na inkremosomo ntre wow nje eduru ba bi na tumpani fo say no bin Moshe wa ha Alidu wa ha ye ma mo 3 hours munye debate ya na ye dia fe so what ya se nje fe ti be pamu nyina achaw we enya agro me pa achaw enkremofuo ni nyinara mo support Alidu why thank you madam nyina ase why madam nyina ase Alidu ka kire mo se mo mo no na nkire se oye scammer se nipe hiamo a wonyawi nti mem person say common sense ni bi akwatena baby say Alidu is a no Alidu is not a thief why asking for help doesn't make you a thief because Allah will not give you money to buy airtime. You got me? To my Muslim brothers who were calling me a thief for telling people to support Common Sense Family because I need money to open a TV station and I need money to go on TV, and you people were tagging me a thief. I'm telling you today, when somebody solicits for funds to open a TV station, that doesn't make the person a thief. So I'm telling you on authority and by the power of Common Sense Family that Alidu is not a thief. Johnny Bibia Moyadia, Enibre ne watanti, Enibre any watanti, then you say you can't namoka. Sram, Common Sense for you now, won't contribute to from Alidu. Thank you. Maybe now, are straight to the point? CSF, Pacho. Your mobile money number na that one. Yes, Ramu. Ye yam papa. Bisali do not cancel. And said Jamali Duka said, o yes can am say jema unyante he ba chawo alidu e wo line so alidu pese o ka asem kire munti
but my friend is here but your help has to come as some fast camera and fanya nyama admo because seskala amba ebe di se betu atu ya na mana ya to 02
Oh, Sika.
no credit hwe minu ya hwe no kra wo hwe no kra wo minu ya no hwe no kra hwe there are three things that can never be hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Minu ya hwe na eyemeni je eyemi nkuranhye se alidu etu weka asase baby biara me nua be ma man, don't forget say me Ali or ye Alidu. He's my twin brother. Hey, straight up Alidu and Mikey. Oye dawa what born in Penebien.
but my friend is here but your help has to come as some fast camera and fanya nyama admo because seskala amba ebe di se betu atu ya na mana ya to 02
Oh, Sika.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Na onipoye video na osere onipoye sa video na osere we kire ho no me so sa di panimu a na mpa chaw enyi sika ne ye nyame adwuma ha na so onu nyame adwuma ne mpo onu nyame ni hie sika mpo aye na adwuma na ye common sense family CSF mo support movement me pa chaw egufo bi anim ali du credit adanse number na da ho no wo person ye mobile money a chaslate straight up ne banda quickly me pa chaw ya ye de share Paulina me pa chaw anope ya ne frame say ye de Paulina eko theater ya de Paulina eko theater me pa mo chaw my mistake na o say me di video bi eto yine so me pa mo chaw e o say me play video bi wow me call off me samba sesi a me pa mo chaw Paulina ye video bi o say me bo kire mo me refi man fanka okay e was so thank you e was slide e was so me ba e was so thank you timba chaw me pa mo chaw ya de Paulina eni me ba no my beloved daughter CSF we can save this girl timba ba Paulina anope ya yesi de ko theater omo ko start operation no e me ni je the number ni me pa mo chaw ono entumi mpie because ye be an operation nti ye the new number e na ato nti Paulina anoche number opesa wo send ya be pa chaw ye kotua 10,000 deposit endra na meba me secretary okumase o video ni mbehu sisi a o sanko yi 1200 say 1200 Ghana ye 120 million ukura indrom beto ne niema no otuatua bepa mo chaw omo say ya bano situation no e ka wo ho bepa mo chaw ti we your number momo number ya register in the name ti wo yes kana obehu CSF e wo so ya de gento bo ano sebe ya mpese sika ba ko di wo bi nsem na akoda ne asem ti esrem a enie ya yenhwe ye ba no me ye adwuma to Thursday a me ye free Friday yi kokumase akwa me ba no e wo konfo anoche obi amfa ne honhom ta abai wa yechi why obi biara wo ye kristoni wo ye nkremoni obi biara mfenta abai wa yechi dia wo gidi bia no bo ho mpaye call Paulina ho I am proud say ye nyina ebe contributed to save this beautiful and amazing girl. This girl is smart. This girl is intelligent. Miniano. Ya mwaba iwe. Yen saving no nsane de nye ye. Why? That untumi nante. Untumi nante nti pa mu nyina chaw. Me kasa se sie mu mani nsu. Me sramu. Why? Na amazing news answer me bo video me de be kire mo no. One of the youngest boxers. One of the youngest boxers US ye Ghana ni. Me pacho bi hia. Munfola abofrey. Why? This guy is the future. This young gentleman is the future of Ghana boxing. Ha, nem talk quite ye fe papa. Na me woni videos that about my dream so much. Na abofrey etumia contribute to Paulina. Eba ne say, akodai we winning awards on Lusu fight that. Aha, ni dini. Na say enne because of abofrey your graphic no daily graphic, and that daily graphic say middle page your home the betch them why and do bianco daily graphic na story no friend Joseph Awin Nonja Junior Joseph Awin Nonja Junior Ghanaian young boss US my video am the profile na ka bo free kwato se video game o se den eno Paulina interview no say daddy me to video game ni biom na me share Common Sense Family ne papa so support CSF seriously no say no me to video game ni biom na mom me disika no ebe boa Paulina ti abofrey aseni ska aseni mse oseni 1600 Ghana o de ba Ghana sike mu a 1600 and something Ghana e de abe support Paulina ti Joseph Awinyo Ja Junior Ghana fo nyina adawase akoda ketwa ehun say service to mankind ne papa ne jina ne nchen no senior ne jina ne nchen no amazing olusu fight wa hwi obi afim from wa hwi obi wa akoda ya hwi obi afim from the what brutal yeah tie nyina frem pipe bonta na china ompeja oman Ghana edabofre yase na wars ne bi ne CCM say was 14 years was then amazing ti abofre po ehunu say service to mankind the service to God abofre we so person ko nanimu abrabomu a e wo so sua say de yadoye abofre ehunu say no to save life, to save somebody's life is better than the video game. Entiende ye wo news in any why daily graphic nanado His Excellency the president of this country ono jire no wow ti ubie ko insider na wakwa to CSF straight up any ya junior boxer your friend Joseph ti we who say ya chro sports wow and the daily graphic sports segment one we say ya chro young boxer commit to support paralyzed girl story no CSF yedi yankwe e wo mfimfini ho ti yeda bofra nase papa minua you can do better abofra ketwa enye ne papa na say this kano akoda no ho hwe video no e no say I like Abraham and me hu say Abraham e support obi a wo yare a na me so me nko na me nko save abayiwa no minua no yensre nkwa e ma Paulina mentwen na sabe empire Paulina na bibi ntona nsa wa ba be type no we hate hypocrisy mesramo de me metumi ayeni Paulina nti me kokuma se te se me kokuma se te se de me free Accra Kotema me ko na maba oni busuani Paulina ne sabe me nuanom ye wasem bi wo ha kanya se ye kan wo media mu na eduru ba bia sabe impreduasa said ye be before ye ntete yete no ye pese ye hu se ade no ya to the highest degree ansa yaboa ne papa ewu ne maame nso abodam ame kana chi ase yi maame ba tan yan kote ase a ba tan na ka bekwa kwahwe ne ba wo hospital ba tan yan kote ase a ono benya yem hyehye ama ne ba no maame no sabe wabodam enye bibia no yeka yare a me be yare de ayi me no me duru baabi na Paulina ena na me boni din say aw why na beje Paulina nkwan aw why na beye hwe abai way situation or ka kire wa ene de asofo bi de aye no asofo me boba akudin omufie busu bi e wo fie ho busu bi e wo fie ho gold shem sofo bi su ono kire bosom sofo ni ko bubu bosom na wafa gold ne ko me say Paulina say ne hoto no awon ade odi be yi asofo no ema ni poti bosom ne ho kra wa say bubu o oni poti bosom ne ho na hwe nya no oti bosom ne ho hwe nya no so for the course of bubu bosom no so for the bubu bosom no hia gold wa wo so for the ko ni poti bosom ne ho so awa bubu enti Paulina say onyam kwana ne ho to no a asofo no muawu because me kra no anyimi ni no de nam paibo a sofu eyi kofi amponsa o se kofi wan e kwatena tena Paulina so awrakosam bia de sofo de ye no asofo ne bi mu ye wicked munni abadai munni tema wati munno nipa adwem bone ewo mutirim mu yesu asofo ami video ni nkyerɛ bani say ana emotions na yaba wati mutirim ye den papa na ono sofo awie ya ono ba bede ono abo kenede Japan we are sofo a mempo ba bi ntina why now the sabe imprebiasa sabe monsam fono monfa ko hono abo kenede Japan so MP a e wosan ko hwe no man ni yeye no MP na jai na adwuma e fight corrupt men of God intimo we are Christian a we ye mon hyew enye hono abo kenede adwuma no ya nto aba man say on be fight fake prophet na momo he de e kono a wenyai ameko a o man na say the contributing factor to the destruction of this country religion and that God Jesus Allah any ne now here so for the member Paulina here kwatna yarifo yi so CSF and yes so that type Avram you are good. Avram being good doesn't change anything. Number na da hon me said this can you find ya by one kwa. Enya fe na abaya mo fire. Misraw oba so ahye video no mane no akire. Wait to save this girl. Ehia me kra chen say me be disprove Bible. We are here to save mankind. We are here to save humanity. What it? Yen fans. The catch yes for me pamocha misra mo ade e be che no. Me so me phone no. Messages over 3,000, 4,000. Ebu be 3,000. Hey, your friends, you are too much. Me dasi. Fitineko. Me too much. Me damu nasi. God bless you. You infant your bills. Go to the American. Amen. And how to push the movement and here how to save a soul. You are so from the American.
Na uba enipa wa enipa ketwa dabi o na kotokwane hasu krashia sam na ebenya nipa we dabi sister when you aje Kristo mo when you aje Father in the name of Jesus Father because of your mighty house Jesus because of your name Jesus and your son Jesus let this woman walk as it was Jesus. Once I'm saying Paul Casasa never buafu bi shane Jesus and was sorry Jesus. Traumatino sweet Jesus. 41 days today Jesus. You will not sit no more in chair. Amen. You will walk. Amen. But you be my mission shemu sister so. Me do to me no be yejumo. Me do to me ni besanya rewa. Me do to me ni bediako. Fa u to me beta machi. Me do to me ni beyejumo. Me do to me ni besanya rewa baba. Me do to me ni betuako. Fa u to me beta machi. Me say me do to me ni beyejumo. Me do to me ni beyansa ni ready. Me do to me ni bediako. how to be the pharmacy. Did you to me never sang at all? Did you to me never dear? Did you to me never answer? How to be the pharmacy. Get the follow Java. Get the follow the answer. Get the follow the Diabodia. How to be the pharmacy. Get the follow Java. Get the follow the answer. Get the follow the Diabodia. How to be the pharmacy. Get the follow the Diabodia. Get the follow the answer. Get the follow the Diabodia. How to be the pharmacy. Isaiah the answer. Moses the Diaconia. How to be the pharmacy. Isaiah the answer. That's Moses the answer. How to be better. Set the photo the Diaco. Set the photo the answer. Set the photo the Diaconia. How to be better. Take the photo the Diaco. Take the photo the answer. Take the photo the Diaconia. How to be better. You do me no baby Diaco. Yes sir. You do me no baby Diaco. You do me by answer. How
Nkwasiasem asofo wedi ogana. Nkwasiasem sabe nie jimisem. Sofo onya deliverance. Yan common sense monsamfo no ene yeji abayiwa ne nkwa na ne hoto na nambeti wa ha. Te dimkwasiasem ogana ha, dimkwasiasem am I taking a whole honorable minister to descend on you people? Akronfo. Asofo akronfo. So for Yampaibo, this guy needs prayers. Jimmy Ghana Force say Yamba boy Radia Juma, Mebo Mustafa Juma na Mebo Mustafa Fena Ali Buti was say, Moon face camera and boy Radia Juma. The man can say, don't condemn your brother when you know what he's doing is right. Only me nya Obi di book abrel. O se nyanko pronse. Tagi na ya die dida. Me se ma check book no. Me check e no enfie urade. Enti yan check we atemdide wo. We me ya kronfo wo. O man pegin na do mfiri Ghana, enko China, enko bobosia. Ghana, yanko bobosia wo Kuwait. Does that make Nanado a scammer and a thief? Now me catch me followers say. Me jam life research. Me need the means into mumwa me. Ne TV, ne enkoye ni mu a, wo fra me kronfo. Wo be mu awie ye. Wo be bia CSF eko. Me mom e na mode me na me nduro so. Me eduro ra na mode be ko no. Eduro ra konfo na nka so ye CSF ni. Se mu asofo ne mu ni mu a. Eduro ra na mo ko ne nche no. Eduro ra na nka sa no. Oye common sense because me projecting African values. Me mo Ukraine ni munyam na me said ya misi fa ba be me ho said ya misi ba be me ho ne ma me be me mene ne ne bansiri amede be chekere me nan ne me kon e be kakra ya frame me ni sofo bi debate won sofo ni hu me ne me gugu me ho no be dwane onye debate ne bi o sabe someone si mo agime wo you will see me ka kire mo na branche bia ba na bonsam na person ni kwa koso bosom na ba kwasi asem ebra na Africa Ghana ha yete Ghana ha na yeji abusum di no na boni do so say ebra na yeji di yeji bosom ni antoa no di no na boni do so say na yetu obi adura ye nkodane no abusum fie mu asofo wonu asofo kra de jew mu asofo no mesema ko journalist man ko journalist o de so for baako ankoko na atia ho nof ohun ya ne say na atia e de me picture aye ni status e kwa na wim or blocking na atia anka obeto do ka ba beto ho me Africa to me di me ka kire yes that's what I believe but me to me message speakers wow na me kan tell say o mi out of one di Africa to me dia o ba ko bun samjem chiye ba me ni baby o kumasi mo ri out of what na do ba shia me wo kron fo ni nchen eno ya me personal believe ye intimidate obia me be dia say mo adwene nya adwuma obakwa kwaje pe lakpaji obakwa to gbe slasraku ho obakwa wan ho obakwa chi na man ho obakwa akonodi ho obaji wu Jesus adi obaji wo aledia you don't have the right to intimidate anybody no gbogbo ina me beko ho you don't know ajagraja kind one say na ho kwase bi beku me trabo de to me nkasa nkwa akire muntie sa branche na elder mi sa say sa branche bo she no bansiri enya bansiri o me koto nentwi ankasa on me koto nentwie fo one on me koto nentwie bia o me koto nentwie ni bia na me mfa nsan me ho nentwie ni bia mde no de me koto nentwie fo one na dia ahoma kikire nentwie ni ti na dia kikire ma yase me ba no se fu nentwie na di machi nonsense e dey na Jesus I am Africa tie
CSF ya church money na kwa se mo dia baduma de yeso munua Abdullah C Junior me secretary Emma Common Sense Family e wo Kumasi na yetimi e de Paulina enua ba Paulina noche e de naba hospital obesha se ni process a ne se na de beka ni na ne se CSF abusuafo ni na no e da mase ma mutimi boa ni na no e da mu ni na mase obo ade enhyira mu ni na sa ya namasia let's say yetimi and show appreciation because money na ma ya do say 10 pesos 5 pesos even once in the crowd or sending ya yetimi e de boa enua ba e bedu pempensu yi no bo ade enhyira mu ni na ma ya de pa nanso no still now the doctors ain't me my exact amount of money on budget for the whole process and the best say mo amonti me mo na contribution kakra mo so mo beti ma ya ka ho esram obusuafo mo moye yentimi emmoa enua ba Paulina na ochina bi no nso embeda mo se no yentimi enka ati for ho because process now we go through na say bo hwa baby odida we obrepa nipa de se ni ya mfa se awo na say onini etimi ewie senior high school e be say etimi atono eya pa etimi sram oni boafo bia etimi sram abusiafo mumma ya yentiti ya mo wure no na kakra bitimi bia boy enua ba Paulina no yentimi embo ye ho mode na ye mo no se de be ye o kire bi no abede ye ni na ase nti Paulina den na wo ka kire abusiafo so
because wa da CSF was say ma pramuwa be same because wa ka say me hia momoa say no ajemi at hospital surgery na enche e best status Mr. Momo because wa na momoa me na mo fam pai bon so enta me chi se ne ya bia be yo ki me da masi be free mesa e dey aseda biem ema Abraham because they be on them cause ya obo ade ni Nyankopon enhyira no I mean hyira ne pa any CSF nyina SM koso afam paibo en time echi abreni e da masi Mr. Mo meka say nkoso amoame em say be start here echi ne be church nwa mami amma kototo ti nkoso ana momoame na menya enko
nti CSF abusuafo sade enua ba Paulina ese ka no nti muni na ama ho say process ne de nyame adoma bibia be hya ase ochina na e be hya ase process ne nyina so nti esra mu a mo pese mo boa ni na no wo hwe number na e da screen no so a wobɛtumi apɛkɛ na contribution bi a wopɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ma no biara no yɛde bɛsɔ ɛna yɛda mo nyinaa mo ase mo a mo so mobɛ contribute later no so no yɛda mo nyinaa mo ase ɔbɔ adeɛ nhyira mo CSF abusuafoɔ yɛda mo nyinaa mo ase biara ne buafo bi nti sɛ mo abusuafoɔ mumma ya yɛntiti yɛ mo wura mu na kakra ebitumi bi abɔ yɛ nua ba akwa no no yɛntumi mbɔ yɛ ho mmɔden na yɛmmoa no sɛ de bɛyɛ ɔkyerɛ bi no abɛda yɛ nyinaa ase nti Paulina dɛn na wɔka kyerɛ abusuafoɔ so
because wa da CSF was say mapra mwa besi same because wa ka say me hia momwa say no agemi at hospital surgery na enche e best status Mr. Momo because wa na momwa me na mo fam pai bon so enta me chi se ne ya bia be yo ki me da masi be free mesa e dey aseda biem e ma Avram because they be on them kase ya obo ade ni Nyankopon enhira no na me enhira ne pa ene CSF we na SM koso afam paibo en time echi abreni e da masi Mr. Mo meka say nkoso amoame e say be start here echi ne be church nura ma me amma kototo ti nkoso ana momoame na menya enko
nti CSF abusuafoɔ sɛdeɛ enua ba Paulina ɛsɛ ka no nti mo nyinaa ma ho sɛ process ne deɛ nyame adom a bibia bɛhyɛ aseɛ ɔkyena na ɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ process ne nyinaa so nti ɛsrɛ mo a mopɛ sɛ moboa nyinaa no wɔhwɛ number na ɛda screen no so a wobɛtumi apɛkɛ na contribution bi a wopɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ma no biara no yɛde bɛsɔ ɛna yɛda mo nyinaa mo ase mo a mo so mobɛ contribute later no so no yɛda mo nyinaa mo ase ɔbɔ adeɛ nhyira mo CSF abusuafoɔ yɛda mo nyinaa mo ase.
Wow. Yeah. Jimmy CSF. Yeah. Nose mask. Yeah. You go so aye bi mbeti enka CSF nose mask straight up. Yeah. And I'm there bought the combination. Or the enche nose mask not now. Why? Enche menche. Why? Naka chem say yale bia mai. Why? Tra. Jebusia for time aso. Or say me na me do adwuma. Me da mo nyina CSF straight up. Yan support Paulina. Me we so bia send 100 Ghana. Scam yenu pe and abasisi a obi asene 100 Ghana and obi nso asene obi asene 100 Ghana and nso obi nso asene 30 Ghana sisi a bisramu nuanom bisramu ye nyina nipa 500 or 600 obi akra ka se o sene 100 Ghana ye save ya buy one be pam chew ye moa me da mo nyina CSF straight up. I love you all. Mo beti me nkan wia. Why? Me da mo nyina ase. Me kwa adwumem. Why? Bye. Kisu. Bra kan. I want to see charge, man. Don't light, no. Not charge away, man. Why? No, but I might be here with you. If I see charge. Let's have a meeting. Hey. You should start back. Okay.